So we have our level 1 box, which just is underneath those. And then we have our level 2 box combined with our level 3 box. Ready, Kramer? Do you want to go snuffling? Every day we're sniffling. Dun 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 dun. He's like, I'm a level 2 dog. What's you talking about?
Who does the name of this game?
He's a good boy. I just gotta take this off because you don't need that right now. I don't need that right now. Dang! Whoa! He's got that going. He's like, I know how to find him now. I knows him all out. Feeling a little boxed in there, huh, Kramer? He was bored. Cardboard. Bad puns. Good boy. There you go. Kramer. Yes. There you go. He said, oh, now I gotta fix those, huh? He's like swinging your partner around and around. Good boy. You're figuring. There you go. He was getting his nose stuck under it. There you go. Just finding it. Yeah. He's like, that's kind of cool. I like that. I like this game, Mom.
I'm just glad he's doing it without looking at me for help to open it.
He's like, Julie, put it down. She doesn't help. She never helps. She might toss more tweets, but there you go. Stepping on it. Good boy. That's smart. That was smart. Good boy. He's like, hey, what's up? He's like, what's up? Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you see this one? I restuffed it. Oh, he's like, oh, score. There's more in there. Well, you could entertain him for a while actually doing that. Just go home and toss more treats in it.
Let's have our butlers at home.
True.
He'd have just picked it up and knocked it over.
That's what we call an independent game. You put him in the room and just let him. Did you get it all? Look how happy you are. You're like, I did it. I did it. That was fun. I did it. That was fun. That was good, boy. Did you get them all? Yeah? Oh, that was fun.